I've painted this one in a previous video. I'm now going to make a frame for this painting. I'm going to use Airdry clay. I'm going to use my Gorilla wood glue to glue it down, and I'm going to use my paintable acrylic sealant to make some texture around this, and when it's dry I'm just going to paint it with a little bit of white and gold, and then I'm finished. So I'm not going to talk further. You can just watch me as I work. Okay, this is dry now, so I'm going to paint the frame now with the Petite Rouge powdered wig, and then afterwards, when I'm finished with that, I am going to put on this Petite Rouge Le Glaze, the antique one. So I want an antique look around this, and it will brown, make the frame a little bit more to a white brown side. So for now, I'm just gonna paint. So I'm not gonna talk, and then you can just watch the process as I go along. I'm just going to quickly dry this, and when it's dried, I'm going to put my glaze on. Okay, it's dry now, so I'm going to put on this antique glaze. I've got a packet of wet wipes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on cover the whole frame with the glaze, and then I'm just going to wipe away with a baby wipe to take the excess off. So you can just watch me. So you just cover with a. If it's very hot, you can work in sections, but it's not hot. It's very cold today, so I'm not going to worry. I'm going to cover the whole frame, and then I'm going to wipe away, and then I'm just going to put a little bit of gold onto here. Okay, I think I'm finished now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe and hit that bell, and then you can get future uploads of my videos. All what's left now is I'm going to varnish it and hang it against the wall. So you must have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.